So just to give a bit of context to Design Jam, if you've been following the last few stories, live stories, you'll see that I'm doing Design Jam. So what is a Design Jam? A Design Jam is a weekly, possibly daily Design Jam where I record myself designing for landing pages, app, posters, logo, packaging, anything really, as long as it's design related. Each design is just for fun, it's nothing too serious. I had a lot of people ask me yesterday, what's the link to the website? Is it live? It's not. It's just a design. And I highly believe that the more you design, the better you become as a designer. So it's to encourage other designers to try and design more. If you've never designed, doesn't matter. You can start today. So today's design is going to be a website where you can swap costumes, so Halloween costumes, with another person to save money. So for example, if I had a witch's costume, I could swap it with someone who had a skeleton costume. So that's the premise for today. As always, links and resources are here, but I can't actually share the links in the comments section because they're not clickable. But what I am doing is I've already uploaded yesterday's live story, the whole design process, to a YouTube channel, which I'm going to upload today's live Design Jam 2 as well. So there I'll be able to put the links in for you to kind of check out, and you'll also be able to see this Design Jam, and because I'm screen recording it, so you'll see the screen recording, which you'll be able to see a lot more clear. And yeah, so YouTube channel, just so you guys can check it out. We head over to YouTube. The channel is called Design Jam. So just kind of show you. So this is the channel here. So I think if you search for, because I can't add the link in there, but if you search Design Jam, or if you check out my previous story, I have a swipe up link to this channel. So there you can see yesterday's Design Jam. I'm not going to play this, but you'll be able to see it's the screen recording, so you can see everything a lot clearer. So today's Design Jam, I'm going to jump in right now. Okay, so the design that I will be designing today is, just to reiterate, a website where you can swap costumes with another person to save yourself money. So let's jump in. It's going to be a basic landing page. A lot of people were asking yesterday, they really liked the illustration that I used. Where did I get it? So the site that I used was undraw.co. So if I head over to undraw.co, you can see here and click illustrations. Again, these are copyright free. You can use them for whatever you want. I think they're great for design jams like this where it's just practice. There's some really nice illustrations. I'm not an illustrator, so I always kind of pull from resources that I can use. So today we're doing a shop. So what I'm going to search for is illustrations relating to shop. Now I might have to alter it slightly. This is nice, so I'm going to download this. Software that I'm going to use for this design is SketchUp. I have a lot of people asking yesterday what software I was using, so I'm using an software called SketchUp. So this is going to be my illustration for my landing page. Obviously I need to make some slight adjustments to it to tie it back into Halloween costumes. Also another thing is the resource or template that I'm using for this landing page. I downloaded from mousecrafted.com, and I'll show you guys. So just to kind of show you. So on mousecrafted.com, I don't know if you can see over on the left hand nav, you have freebies. If I click that, some awesome freebies here to download for Sketch and Photoshop. You can filter by what software you have. So this is the template. I've already downloaded, so I'm not going to go and download it, but it's free, so you guys can download as well. So getting back to the actual design, so I'm going to take this design, bring it over here. This is the template that I'm going to use, and because it's to do with e-commerce, so I can use the nav bar, for example. It's got this kind of add to cart icon that I can use. So there's a lot of assets that I can use within this. So let's go ahead and delete or just remove this header, because obviously it's got nothing to do with what we're doing. I'm going to break apart the remainder in here. So it's white text, so I need to change that to black. Again, change the colors. Okay. Second. Okay. Let's bring in the illustration now to just kind of start populating it a little bit. Okay, let's scale this down here. 70%. Now we need to make some adjustments here, and also I need to add in bring that in here. Need to change the, so swap costumes for other costumes. Okay, let's look for icon. So flat icon is a really nice one. Actually, do you know what might be nice? Halloween costumes. Okay, so some nice costumes here that we can use. So I think I might use these. So download that. How many do we need? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need 6. So that's 1. Skeleton 2. Pumpkin head 3. 4. Let's go for the Joker. 5. And one more. 6. Let's open this back up here. Okay, let's get these in. So let's bring these guys in. Don't want them there, so let's try that again. Let's bring them down here. Okay, so size-wise, we need to scale them obviously down. I think 50%. Let's go a little bit. Let's go a little bit more than that. Let's go 70%, 80%, maybe 80% again, and then I think 90%. Okay, so now we just need to break these apart. So 6, and we need to replace them out with these icons here. Just looking at them there, we can probably bring them down again. Second, let's go 90%. Perfect, okay. One second. Okay, there we go. I think we're getting there. Okay, it's just starting to come together, and you're starting to see what I'm trying to achieve here. So swap costumes for other costumes. Obviously the copy could be a little bit better, but sure, listen, it's fine for now. Okay, so that's that. We need to kind of go back in here, and I need an icon for the logo. So let's just see what we can use here. Let's see. Am I getting anything for costumes? Actually, hold on. Let's see. Halloween costume. Aha, that could work. If we take this, download that, bring it over here, take that. Now if I rotate this, trying to think that looks like a C for costume, but no, that's not working. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back in here, back into UI design. I'm going to take this, bring this over here. Let's go 14, bold. Cost swap, cost swapper. So that's the name of the website. Okay, I need this. Let's take that. Let's bring that over here. Let's change that color. Something a bit more, yeah. Now I just want to go to dribble and just see if there's anything from an e-commerce point of view that I can add onto this page for inspiration. Maybe it's coming together. I'm happy with how it's shaping up. I just want to see if I'm missing anything or I can add anything to it. Okay, it's kind of nice, so let's just pull this in here. Okay. Let's pull that over here now. I'll use this as a bit of a reference point. So that's home. Do is underline it. Let's change the color to blue. Let's make it 2. Okay, get rid of borders, fill. No, we don't need that. Okay, so might be nice to have, actually that's kind of nice. So if we make this similar to what he has on his design, black, and then if we add in a shape just to kind of say, I always think it's nice to kind of have hints of color for the nav. Let's go black button. That border. Maybe if we add a okay, take this, and we are going to nearly there. So background color white. Right, background color. Okay, I think we're there now. All I need to do is save. Bring it over here. Let's give it a, and that's the back. Center back. Shadows. Okay, getting there. So save this. Okay. Make exportable. Oops. Make exportable. So costume. I'll save that into the design jam folder. Let's have a look at that now. Let's get that open. And there we have it. So a website where you can swap Halloween costumes for other Halloween costumes. Let's go full screen. That's it. So what I'm going to do is, after I finish this live story, I'm going to share this screen recording so you'll be able to see it obviously in a lot of higher quality on my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, make sure you head over and subscribe. I've seen a couple of people do it. And what you want to do is you want to head over to YouTube, and if you search Design Jam, I should be in the search results, and there I am. So you can see here, this is my previous live Design Jam, and you can subscribe by heading over to my channel and subscribing here. Obviously I can't see that subscription button because I'm logged in as the creator. But that's it for this video. As always, just to recap, the design that I did was a website where you can swap costumes with another person to save yourself money. The links and the resources that I used within this video I will be sharing in my YouTube video that I'll be. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, click subscribe and the notification bell.